Did you know that a few simple gardening techniques can double your vegetable harvest this spring? Many gardeners struggle with small, weak plants that don't produce enough food. But what if I told you that by making small adjustments, you could grow twice as many fresh veggies without needing more space? In this video, I'll walk you through each of these strategies step by step. So, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing nutrient-rich soil. Soil is the foundation of any successful vegetable garden. Without the right nutrients, plants struggle to grow, no matter how much water and sunlight they get. The key to healthy plants is rich, well-balanced soil packed with organic matter. Test your soil to determine its pH level and nutrient content. Most vegetables thrive in slightly acidic to neutral soil, with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Composting is another powerful way to improve soil fertility. Adding compost made from kitchen scraps, grass clippings, and leaves introduces essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Step 2. Smart plant spacing techniques. A common mistake many gardeners make is planting vegetables too close together. Overcrowding leads to poor airflow, increased competition for nutrients, and stunted growth. Follow the recommended spacing guidelines for each vegetable. For example, tomatoes need about 18 to 24 inches between plants, while carrots can be spaced 2 to 3 inches apart. Proper spacing allows each plant to get enough sunlight, nutrients, and airflow, leading to a healthier and more productive garden. Step 3. Companion planting for maximum yield. Companion planting is a technique where you grow certain plants together to enhance their growth and protect them from pests. Some plants naturally help each other thrive, while others can hinder growth if placed too close together. For example, planting basil near tomatoes improves their flavor and repels harmful insects. Carrots and onions grow well together because onions deter carrot flies, which can damage your crop. Step 4. Watering and sunlight. Optimization. Watering your garden too much or too little can lead to serious problems. Overwatering rots plant roots, while underwatering causes stunted growth and small harvests. The key is to water deeply, but less frequently. This encourages deep root growth, making plants more drought-resistant. A good rule of thumb is to water in the morning or late afternoon to prevent evaporation and reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Most vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. If your garden has shaded areas, consider growing shade-tolerant plants like spinach, kale, and lettuce. Step 5. Natural pest control without chemicals. Pests are a gardener's worst nightmare, but you don't need harsh chemicals to keep them away. There are several natural pest control methods that work just as well. One of the best ways to deter pests naturally is by planting marigolds, lavender, and mint around your vegetable garden. These plants release scents that repel common garden pests like aphids, caterpillars, and beetles. Common mistakes that reduce your harvest. Even experienced gardeners make mistakes that limit their vegetable yield. One of the most common errors is not rotating crops each season. Growing the same plants in the same spot every year depletes nutrients and attracts soil-borne pests. Another mistake is ignoring soil health. If your plants aren't growing well, it's likely due to poor soil conditions. Regularly adding compost and organic matter ensures that your plants always have the nutrients they need. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite gardening trick? Share it in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe for more gardening tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on new content. Let's grow the biggest harvest ever this season. Happy Easter.